Question 27, simplify the following expression completely. Understand that when you have an exponent outside those parentheses, everything inside of those parentheses is being squared. What does that end up looking like? It ends up being the whole expression twice times itself. So for this we need to use FOIL. First, outside, inside, last. Multiplying them all across and adding them all together. Our first one, this first, is square root of 3 times the square root of 3. And that, of course, is just 3. And then we have square root of 3 times 2 times the square root of 5. And that ends up being, well, our coefficients would be 1 times 2 would be 2. And those what's inside the squares would be 3 times 5, so 2 times square root of 15. And then next, we have 2 square root of 5 times square root of 3, which ends up being 2 to the square root of 15. And then we have last, which is 2 square root of 5 times 2 square root of 5. Well, the square root of 5 times itself ends up being just 5, and then 2 times 2 is 4. So we have 4 times 5, and that equals 20. And then we just have to combine everything together. So we have 3 plus 2 square root of 15 plus 2 square root of 15 plus 20. Combine those two and we get 4 square root of 15 when we add them together. And then combine the 20 and the 3, and that gives us 23. Add those and you get 23 plus 4 square root of 15, which is answer D.